Alright, here we go again. So, same as the bow. This isn't as long, so I could probably get away with 3 arms lengths, but I'm going to do 4 just in case, just to be safe. Alright, got 4. Make sure you got all your tools down here, because once you start lashing, you don't want to move away from your space. So scissors, needle, dowel, line. Alright, let's tie your stopper knot. And again, cut off the tail. Again, we're going to go through this back end over here and then tie that off. Careful you're not stepping on your line. I can't see that in that hole, so I'll go to the other side. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. I don't think you can, but I did the same as what I did on the stern side. I'm tying off on 2 holes that I drilled farther back, well technically forward, because we're working in the aft section of the kayak now. Farther forward in the gunwales, so that I have a secure tie-off point that I can actually reach with my fingers. And then you just slide that knot on down until it gets all cinched up, and there we go. Now bring it all the way down, put your needle on your line. Well, let me get this out of the way. Tar gun is sitting here and I don't want to get that on me. Alrighty, and put your thread through, and now I'm going to go through the bottom hole here. I have a few holes drilled. I apologize. I have a few holes drilled here, so I need to figure out which one it is I want to go through. So 4 holes on this side. Perfect, you can see that. Sorry, I just knocked the camera out a little bit, put it back. Now, I have pointed to these holes with, I've marked them off pretty much, but I have 4 holes, so I want to go to this one that's closest where I tied off from. That'll best hide line, so you won't see it, won't come through the skin or anything like that. And then we're going to go up and through this guy. Now this is the difficult part. Oh no, it stayed perfect. I already had dowels running through this and I took them out because this side wasn't moving as much, which good. Okay, so we got that hole. Now we're going to go to that hole. Oops, sorry, this hole. And go through this hole, boom, and then through this hole. And hi-ya. Pull that nice and tight. And then we go down. Oops, christen and crossing on this side. There we go. And now we can crisscross on this side. Here we go. Now we go up and down on this side, and another crisscross on this side. And pull that super tight. Da-da-da. Cool. Alright, we are done here, so we're going to go down on this side. We're going to come up here And then we're going to just feed it back through to these two holes here, and we're going to do exactly what we did on the stern. Alright, bam. One. That one's cinched off. And now we're going to go do the chines. So we are going to grab, we're going to go ahead and do 4 arm lengths because that's about the same distance. And that's about how much we needed to cut off, maybe 6 to 8 inches of extra cord. Alright, tie your stopper knot. Alright, so feed your stopper knot through this back knot, or back hole in your stem, and then you're just going to come over here and wrap it around there. If I can grab it with my other hand. You're going to wrap this around your stem. That way it keeps all the knots out of the way. Just pull that tight there. Pull that tight there. Cinch that on down to your stopper knot and then pull it tight. I do have one little issue with this because where I am able to attach the clamps, they're kind of in the way, so just keep that in mind. You also might see like an awkward bend in the back here. That's okay, you can adjust that, take out a couple of lashings on your form and just push part of it forward and it should even it out fairly well. But I mean, if you've cut everything properly, you won't see that bend. That's the last lashing through there. Again, it's not too, doesn't matter that much if it overlaps, you're fine. And we're going to bring it back through here and through this hole. Right on. And because this is in the way, I'm just going to move this for now. And there we go. I think I can put it right here and it won't be in the way. Perfect. And again, you don't have to go super tight on this. If you do, you may have to end up tying it off somewhere else, which is also okay. Alright, so now I'm going to feed that down through there. I'm going to cinch this off. Perfect. Alright, and we're going to finish it off with a nice double stopper. Yeah, alrighty, I'm done. So